Hey, it's Bridget Kalen, and I play the musical saw. So this is a musical saw, of course, but really it's just a saw. So I always get a couple of snarky people in my comments who are like, she's calling it a musical saw, but it's just a saw. Like, okay. I bet you're fun at parties. So this is a Stanley 26-inch. It's my favorite. No, Stanley doesn't give me any money. I will link to the products that I do use, and a few clicks of those sometimes give me money, but like 3 cents. So anyway, if you're going to buy stuff, then use my links. But basically, you don't need a musical saw. Lots of companies will try to sell you a musical saw. They're like $100. Some of them are nice. Most of them are nice, but I actually find them a little more difficult to play than the regular saw because they're a little more flimsy. The steel itself is a lot more thin, which means it's easier for a beginner to make a sound, but it's actually harder for a beginner to make a correct pitch. And that's the big challenge with the saw. Well, I guess there are two big challenges, is playing the intended pitch. The first one is getting a sound to begin with. Only like 10% of people who I have tried to teach it to have been able to make a sound initially. That's not saying you can't do it, you just have to practice. So what kind of saw should you use? You should just go to the hardware store. Don't do anything under 20 inches. Those are harder to make a sound on. I used to have some and I would play it like this, actually, which is kind of fun. Oh, I can't do it. This is too long. I could do it with a 20 incher. Yeah, go to a hardware store or just buy the one on my link.